Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare ClickUp versus Notion. We will explore their core functionalities, helping you understand which platform best suits your needs. ClickUp is a robust project management solution, perfect for intricate workflows and team collaboration. Notion, on the other hand, offers a highly flexible workspace for notes, documents, and custom databases. By the end, you will have a clearer picture of their strengths and ideal use cases. When it comes to features, ClickUp boasts an impressive array, with over 1,000 customizable options like detailed task management, time tracking, and advanced reporting. Notion shines with its incredible flexibility, allowing you to build almost anything using its versatile block system for notes, wikis, and databases. While ClickUp focuses on deep project management, Notion provides a more adaptable environment for knowledge organization and content creation. ClickUp is the go-to choice for teams needing powerful project management, intricate task automation, and comprehensive workflow customization across various departments. If your priority is flexible note-taking, extensive documentation, and building highly personalized workspaces, Notion is likely your best fit. For organizations with complex project structures and a need for advanced reporting, ClickUp often provides a more specialized and robust solution. Regarding pricing, both platforms offer free tiers to get you started. ClickUp has a free plan with core features, and its paid options begin at approximately $7 per user per month. Notion provides a generous free personal plan, with team plans starting around $8 per user per month. Both also offer comprehensive enterprise solutions, ensuring scalability and advanced security for larger organizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.